Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can log out from all devices on ChatGPT. So currently I'm using the web browser, and this also applies on mobile and iPad and tablet devices. So when you are connected to your ChatGPT app or on the web browser, all you have to do is click on your profile at the bottom left. So once you click on the profile at the bottom left, all you have to do is go to the settings. So when you are on your settings profile, all you have to do is click on security. So once you click on security, you will have the option that says log out of all devices. So once you click log out of all, it will basically log you out of your laptop or the web browser, your mobile device, your iPad, or any tablet devices. So any app or device where you're connected on your ChatGPT will automatically be logged out when you click on log out on all devices. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.